Hello, I hope you all are doing well. Today, again, we are going to talk about some programming parts literacy. Gradually, we'll be moving to pointer, structure, pointer, then data file. Let's see what is so how long we'll go for this one. Then I'll talk about the JS and then PSP, etc. First, let's today we are going to let's talk about structure again. So structure in previous video we discussed that structure stores decimal data items, and if we make that structure array, then array helps us to store multiple records in a contiguous memory location. So that was the definition. We also saw some examples of the programs. Today we are going to talk about on same topic but with some different programs and all of this. Let's see. Uh, First, let's understand how to pass a structure in a function as an argument. Means sometimes if we have a function and we want to pass that structure in a function, I mean to say, so it's quite good. So, suppose we have a function void demo. So till yesterday, what we did there, we passed the variables in this way. Uh, in our function demo. So just like this, if we want to pass the structure in our this function demo, so what we have to do? So nothing we have to do there. It's very simple. To pass the we have to pass a structure here, and after passing we have to use the value and so on. So it's very simple then. Update on the structure data modifies members. So there are two ways to pass a structure to functions. The first is value and next is a by pointer. Pointer we'll see in next topic, that is pointer itself. We'll talk later that in that topic in detail about the structure and the pointer again. Right now I'm going to talk about a simple program, how to pass a structure in our function. So for that, let's see an example here. Let's make a structure first. The structure work. Let's give here int id float. Yes, that's it. So this was this is just a structure block we have created. Now let's create a function. Now since we are going to pass the structure to function, so what we have to do here is start book. Let's give a variable. So this is our function. Let's go for main function here. So if you have any question, you can put it in the chat box and give the answer of all the questions. If not, fine. So this was what the main. Now let's work on the function. So void demo struct book. So this is how we pass the structure in our function. Now let's give some values here. Let's set declare a variable struct book. Let's give some values here. Simply let's initialize some values here. First is your id, so 12 suppose, and next is uh, price, suppose that is 500. Name we have not given here, so let's also go for the name car 900 to be better. So let's also give name here. So name is computer science. So we are initializing some values here. 12 for id. This is the price. Let's note this double quote. Next is computer science. Fine. Now what we need there? We have to pass this value to this function. So what is the name of function? Demo. So let's use demo here. And what is the name of variable? B. So simply we have to put the B here. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. After the variables, whatever value we have given here, these are all the values. They are the part of this variable. And this value we can pass with the help of this variable to this value. We are giving same name here, so let's give different name. So let's give the B, it will be better. Now after that what happens? So this B, it transfers the value from here to here. So we have to use B1. Let's print the value. ID equals to name equals to and ID equals to name equals to and price equal to. Let's give you ID equals to that is B1 B1 dot ID B1 dot name and b1 dot price. That's all. Nothing we have to do there. Let's have it. uh, Structure passing to function. Let's change the extension here. That's all. Now let's run the program. If there is no bug, we'll get the output. So here is the output here. So ID 12, name computer science, and the price 500. So this is how we pass the structure to function. And to pass simply what we need there, we uh, first we have to declare the function. Let me close this one. I think it is making the computer slow. Okay, now it will be better. So we have to make the structure block here. Fine. We have to make the function here demo, and since we are going to pass the parameter, so what we do here, let's pass the entire this structure tag with the variable this one. Let's put the semicolon here. After that we have to make another variable which is b. We are initializing some values here like 12, 5 in computer science. After that we are calling the function here. So whenever we call the function, then what that means, this variable b, it passes this all the entire values to this variable b1. That's all. And we using this one we print all those values of all the members. So in very simple way we can get the output and we can pass the parameter. So this is called passing structure to function. I hope you must know about this one. If any questions, just tell me. If not, fine. Now uh, if we want to go for input, we can also go for input. So let's see by the inputs here. With input, uh, so let's remove this part here. Let's go for input here. Printer, enter ID, name, and price. So scanner passes ID. Sorry, what happened here? Okay. So ID, then is name as, then is price. Yeah. We have b dot id, then we have name b dot name, then we have price b dot price. So input's done here. Now in similar way as we did before, what we did there, to pass this all the values to this variable, we have to put this variable inside the parentheses, and after that this value is passed to this one. Fine. Now let's save it. Let's run the program. So asking for the input, Let's put the input 12, name, uh, English, next is price 900. So we got the output here, ID, English, and the price. That's it. I hope you are sure of this one. So this is how we can pass the instruction to function. And what you know, if we want to pass multiple variables, then we can also use comma here, and we can pass multiple variables. I hope you are sure of this one. If you have questions, just raise that. You can use chat box. If not, find there. Now we are going to talk about the next topic. This passing instruction by pointer using pointer. We'll talk in pointer topic in detail. Okay, next topic is returning structured form of function. So how to return a structured form of function? So actually we can return a structured function when we change the return type of structure as struct. Means nothing more we have to do there. Just change the return type to structure. It returns the uh, structure from a function. There are two common approaches or methods we can use there. So returning by value and the returning by pointer. Pointer we will talk later on. But for now, let's talk about the how to return by value. So let's cover that. Let's take a program. Returning structure in a function. Returning structure function. So we are using ID price and find there. Now to return what we need there, I just say just put struct. Fine. So this is the name of struct. Let's and after that what we have to do there, we have to create a function, and to create the function in similar manner we did there, just we have to put the uh, name of structure, that is this function is going to be part of this structure tag, so we have to put here book. Find here, let's remove this part here. Now we are not going to pass the parameter, we'll see later. So start book demo. So this is the name of function for this structure book. Now just to copy and paste. Let's take a now variable book. Let's give a variable b. Now b dot id 34, b dot strcpy. Copy b dot name. So computer science, simply let's put computer here, and next is the price. So b dot price equals to 900. So here is a book, we are assigning values in. So let's remove this part from here, since it's going to return a value, and that returning it is done by this variable b. So nothing more we have to do there. Just let's put here return. So this part is returning b. I'm supplying to this main function. Am I right? So what we do here? Let's do one thing here. Let's remove these all the parts. Okay. What we did? Let's create a variable book. Let's give variable name k. Let's store k, the value returned by this demo into k. So demo here it's, after that let's print it. So printf, so id equals to 25, sorry, id equals to d, name equals to as, and price equals to k dot id, k dot name, k dot price. That's all. So this is how we return the value. Let's save it. Let's run the program. Okay, we have got the output id 34, and name is computer, and the price is 900. That's very simple there. Whenever we want to return multiple value, so what we do there, uh, this we have to change the return type into, start. I hope you are sure about this one. If you have any confusions, doubts, just ask me. Be interactive here. Now if you want to input, you can do something. You can go for multiple input, it does not matter that. So that's all. So this is how we return the value. So change this to keep the value. If you want to input multiple values, make it array, and just supply it to this one. You also make this part as an array, store in this array, and just print it from here. In this way we can return the value using structure. So this was about the return issues by value. In pointer we'll discuss a new topic. That's the next topic here. I hope you understand about this one. For questions and regarding dots, just uh, you can mail me. You can uh, ask me during the live session. Thank you. Have a good day. And tomorrow again at 4 p.m. I will be joining here with some new ideas and topic. Thank you.